Power turbine thrust balance and cooling airflow. Let's look at the airflow in order to understand the forces being exerted on the rotor. The 8-stage, turbine cooling air arrives here on the LP casing, and after cooling various parts of the LP turbine and exhaust casing, flows out here. The air goes back into the turbine at the top of the power turbine casing, where it is used to cool the number 7 bearing housing and turbine discs, etc. The air then flows out through the labyrinth seals on the power turbine, and mixes with the exhaust gases. As the air flows aft in the direction of the exhaust, it turns the power turbine, extracting energy from the gases. This has the effect of forcing the power turbine rotor aft. The number 8 bearing is an angular contact bearing which is capable of resisting some of this axial force aft, but it must be assisted by the power turbine thrust balance air. The PTTB air comes in from the rear of the power turbine and is a force in the opposite direction to counter the aft forces caused by removing energy from the expanding gases. Power turbine thrust balance seals fitted at this location prevent leakage of PTTB air. The effect of the power turbine thrust balance force, plus the force on the number 8 bearing cancels the axial force aft. My training course on the FT8 explains how to troubleshoot the power turbine thrust balance and cooling airflow. It also describes the procedure you can use to evaluate the condition of the PTTB seals. This information is not available on any manufacturer's literature.